We have what you've been waiting for. Tang versus Tang is finally back. And today we're gonna throw some shots two-handed.
Oh, that's what we're doing?
Yeah, 10 shots, full pin. No second shots because we suck two-handed. He throws it way better than I do, but as we know, bowling is not about how good you throw it, it's about how many pins you knock down.
Like day to day.
And I've lost every Tang versus Tang, better Tang video, so I'm probably gonna lose again, but we'll see. I guess Mikey goes first because he won. This ball maybe a little bit.
Spin a rooster's a no-go.
Mikey got 6 on the first shot. I'll take 9 every shot. Give me 9. Stop throwing it to the right. I can't stop throwing it to the left. I might not hit the pocket. What's it, 17 to 15? Shot number 3 incoming. Let us know in the comments if you think he should go two-handed. Oh, we got more forward with it. I need to strike once. I'll take my chances with 90 at the end. I'm in trouble.
Just about the only thing that can slow me down with these challenges. Technical difficulties.
Alright, we're back. 3.5 shots in. Mikey's got 35. I have 26. Camera's going back to the vlogger, pro vlogger.
I think Darren is not a good handed bowler.
What?
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 What? Maybe I take back my statement.
What? What did you say?
Nothing.
You talking smack?
Are you editing this?
Huh? You're lucky I'm not.
Break that up.
That's a tough 8, man.
Letting me down.
You got 43. I've got 36.
Looking good.
First he wasn't.
I've got 3 in lead.
Yeah, but he's been
That is true. You got 6 off the wrist.
4 shots left, I'm down 3.
5 shots left. That was 46 to 43. Oh, so that was out. You didn't make the quarter, but you got a good 9. 52 to 46.
I retract my statement. Okay, Darren's a good two-handed bowler.
Wait, 4 left?
4, yeah.
I'm up 4 with 4 to play. 56, 52, I think.
Down 1 with 3 to play. This is my channel. This is now Michael Tang YouTube. My channel.
It's okay. He can win on YouTube for now. I don't want to kick him too hard. You know, gotta give him shots. I don't know what to say. Yeah, just let him close it out.
Well, I met a lot of you at Junior Gold, and
Wait. I'm just saying, he threw an illegal ball. The ball I threw didn't have a weight hole in it. That is all.
Sore loser. For those of you that came to Junior Gold, came up to me and told me that I'm the better Tang, you guys are just intelligent fellow. So good for you guys. You guys are gonna grow to be future doctors, astronauts, presidents of the United States. So thank you for the support. If this doesn't prove who's the better Tang, then I don't know what else will. So yeah, thanks for watching.
This is Mikey's channel.
My channel.